Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger messages deleted automatically. To know how to fix or how to solve messages deleted automatically on Messenger, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. If you'll find here updating this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.